Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing my acting program that I was just enrolled in. So I enrolled into the Beginners Talent Program at BIH Studios, Break Into Hollywood Studios in New York City. And the Beginner Talent Program was really appealing to me, and I want to just kind of give an overview of the program, my thoughts, my experience, whether I think it's worth it. So the program is in New York City and it runs a few months. Classes are scheduled over the weekends and each session is a different focus. And what really appealed to me about this program, it's the idea of starting the program as like an aspiring actor, actress, and coming out the other end like polished professional actor, actress. And that to me was gold. Like, that's exactly the information I was looking for, because when I decided I wanted to begin my professional acting career, I kind of felt like, okay, but where do I start? Especially for me, I felt like, I already have a career, like this is a huge transition for me, like what do I do first? And this program was like the perfect guide. And during the program, you're working with an acting coach. The acting coach is John Bradley Cole, and he's not only a great actor, but he's a phenomenal coach. So great to be able to hear firsthand from another actor, not just having a teacher, but another actor who's also in the experience, share tips with you. It just brought it all full circle for me, and it made that experience that much more valuable, because now it's not only, like I said, kind of like that teacher perspective, like this is a coach, a teacher, but this is also someone who's experienced or is experiencing some of the things we're talking about in class. So it was really great to have that perspective. And like I said, he's an excellent coach. I was just truly grateful for that experience. Each class day, each session focuses on something else about the business. So we had like classes where we focused on acting, scripts, we talked about lines, how to memorize lines, like we talked a lot about how-to stuff, but then there was a lot of business side. So they had like an entire career session. We talked about like your resume, headshots, how to do self-tape auditions. There was also there was just tons of information that I actually am still like taking in and like learning, because it was so much information. And the really cool thing about this program is when you're done with the program, you do feel like I made the transition from aspiring actress, like this is my dream, to now I feel like I'm a professional actress ready to put myself out there. And that's amazing, like amazing. During the program, you do get professional headshots done, which is awesome. So when you graduate from the program, you do get your headshots, which is great. So again, you're ready to go. There's also something that's huge about this program. They have what they call the Hollywood Showcase of Agents, which is a showcase where you get to perform for top Hollywood agents and managers, which honestly sold me. Like, that is such a huge opportunity, and it was a really big selling point for me of why I was very interested in the program overall. That is very helpful, because not only are you getting the information in the sessions and learning about it, but then you have this real life experience of having a showcase, having the opportunity to get a call back from a top Hollywood agent or manager, and it just brings it all full circle for me. Like, that was the best part of the program, because it's like, all right, you've learned all this stuff, but before you go, here's a real life opportunity for you. And it was the showcase. So I just completed the Hollywood Showcase of Agents with kind of like my class who completed the program together, and it was really cool. I am very excited. I haven't heard anything yet, and we're still waiting for callbacks, so it's another exciting time. The cool thing about that too is when you're working with the acting studio, if you want to come back for another showcase, that kind of thing, you can do so for a fee. So that's always great that there's more opportunity. But I like the fact that you end the program with this, like I said, real life opportunity, because it's priceless, really. Right, I'm having now to perform in front of people who can give me an opportunity, who can send me out to jobs, who may want to sign me, whatever. It's like the program is not just teaching you and talking about it, you actually get to experience it. So I think that was, for me, kind of the top selling point, is to have the opportunity at the end. There are actually some big names who have attended this particular program as well, and I think that's always cool, because like one person that I like, Dasha Polanco, she was on Orange is the New Black, and she graduated and completed the same program I just did, and as you see, she has like a thriving, exciting career right now. So that was truly inspiring as well. It's like you get to see people who were sitting in the seat I was in a few months ago on TV, on movies, like in leading roles. Also, you get to network. You get to meet other fellow aspiring actors and actresses. You get to network. You get to kind of work together. And yeah, I learned so much. As far as costs, obviously this is a program you have to pay for. They do have like a flexible payment plan, which is great, makes it more manageable. But pretty much, I think it was completely worth it, just for, like I said, the knowledge that I got, along with the huge opportunity at the end. Yeah, I feel so prepared now. As far as self-tape auditions, just knowing what to expect, how to talk when I enter the room. I think also what's very important about this program, they teach you how to market yourself as an actor. And that's very important. When you're an actor, an actress, it's important to be able to market yourself, right? You have to put yourself out there. You have to network. You have to make sure you're in the know. You need to be available. You need to be ready. Very much, you need to hit the pavement. Like, you need to. That's how it goes in the acting world. It's a hustle. It really, really is. So I really enjoyed that. Again, the name of the studio is Break Into Hollywood Studios, BIH Studios. I will link their information down below if you're interested. It was great. It was great, and I'm excited to be done. Now, like I said, I'm just waiting for callbacks and ready for whatever comes next. Like, I am so ready. But the thing about it is, because of this program, because of the beginner talent program at BIH Studios, I am actually ready for what's next when it comes to my acting career. And I think that was not just the goal that I had coming into it, but the goal of the program. So I feel very prepared. That's my review of the program. If you have any questions, definitely let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're not subscribed, definitely subscribe and make sure you hit the thumbs up button. Thank you so much again for watching, and until next time, guys.